Hi everybody, welcome back. So I got a little workbench update to show you guys today. But first, before I do that, I want to say thank you to Doug at Hensley's Hobbies for the shop card and for the really kind words on the back of the card. Thank you, Doug. I got your back, pal. Keep supporting you in your wonderful channel. If you guys are not subscribed to Doug, go over, check out his channel, subscribe to him. He's an excellent model builder. He even gives you nice tours of his backyard and all the plants that he's putting in and everything. It's really nice. Doug's a really nice human being. Everybody should be subscribed to him, so go over, check him out. Well worth it. Okay, so with that being done, going to give you a little update on my Three Musketeers project. I haven't started anything new because I am trying to clear off my desk of half-done projects. So the next few videos that I post are going to be probably me just cleaning up my workbench area of projects I kind of put to the side, and now it's just time to finish them. So that's what I'm working on. So I told you in previous posts that I would be doing a diorama for the Three Musketeers, and I've shown you the 5 characters that I'll be putting on it. But what I wanted to show you right now is the base. So I'm starting to decorate and create the base for the diorama. Let me show you what some of this will look like a little bit. So here is Porthos. If I can pick this up without throwing them all over the place. Essentially, Porthos is going to sit right there. All right, that's the idea. And then the other 2 Musketeers, Aramis and Athos, will be, one of them will be standing here, the other one will be standing here. And then the assassins, one will be on this block, and then the other one will be somewhere over in this area. I haven't quite decided where yet, but somewhere over in here. And I want to show you also some of the accoutrements that I'm starting to paint up. So part of the scene will have this barrel with the wine jug and the stein in it. I think those turned out okay. I'm working on this basket with a couple of flasks of wine in it. I just haven't decided what color to paint the blanket that's on top there. If anybody have any suggestions, gladly take them. I was thinking about maybe blue, maybe a nice royal blue or something like that, just to make it stand out, because obviously the rest of the scene, you know, it'll be nice to have a little splash of color in there. So I don't know, I was just thinking about it. And here's the basket. So if you got any ideas or suggestions for that, let me know. And this little flask of wine is going to go next to Porthos. And there's a gun that's going to be, this gun will be leaning up against this wall here. So there's this. Nothing really fancy. So there's that. And then here is the other assassin. Hold on, let me before I drop these, I'll show you this. So here's one of his arms. This will be going over his sword. And I still have to paint the tunic, obviously, on this, but the inside of his sleeve is done. Coat, glove. There's that. Here's his gun. And again, the inside is taken care of. I still have the not sure what that was called. A cloak, maybe? Not 100% sure. But that needs to be painted. Also, been working on him. His boots are done. Little gaiters down here are taken care of. I mean, his face and hair have been done for a while. His hat, I still have to pick a color for the feather. I have to do a little more detail work, at least on the band that's there, and then also on the little hat pin here. So I have to decide what that's going to be like. Still haven't quite decided what color I'm going to paint this. I was thinking about doing, like the Cardinal Guards red, but I don't think so. I'm thinking maybe I'll just make both of them. Well, I'll show you the other figure, but the other one, just like, they're not attached to the Cardinal's guards. It might have been an employee of the Cardinal to kill the Three Musketeers. So I'm thinking about doing something other than red for the tunic. So that's essentially what I think that's what I'm going to go for. I just haven't picked what color it is going to be yet. So that's the inside of there. So all that. Unfortunately, most of this stuff, once I get his arms on, you won't even see this anymore. But I know it's painted. And you will too now if you watch this video. So there you go. So that's the other assassin, or assassin number 2. Hold on, folks. I didn't want to knock those over. Here's assassin number 1. He is completed. His cloak and arm has been attached. Obviously, I still have to do the base. Once I get the ground cover done for this, I will add that to this. So there's that. And I think there's a nice contrast between his cloak here and his suit color. I think that's I think that worked out pretty well. Let me know what you think in the comments about that one. Oops, crap, I just broke Athos's sword again. I gotta go fix it now. Here's Aramis. He is completed. And then, just like I said, I just broke Athos's sword. So I gotta go back and fix that. But here he is with his arms attached. And he'll be looking at one of the assassins after he has drawn his sword. So that's what I have. And then now I gotta go fix that again. Crap. Fuck a duck. All right. Yeah, so that's all I have for this video. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I've picked up some new subscribers recently, so thank you for joining. Hope you like the content here. Thank you to all of my long-term subscribers. Thanks for sticking with me and all the crazy shenanigans that I go through on this channel. Again, I hope everybody is enjoying the content. I hope you like what you see. I'll give you a little better close-up of Porthos. Here's Porthos all done. His arms have been attached and he is finished. And like I said, he will be sitting on this rock, on this wall here. And then that one little flask of wine will be sitting next to him and stuff like that. Anyway, so again, thank you, Doug. I really do appreciate the shop card. And again, if you haven't, please go subscribe to Doug Hensley's page, Hensley's Hobbies, and you'll enjoy his work. So until my next video, I hope everybody's having a great week. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe, everybody. And I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.